Hello students, welcome to another lecture of physics. This is standard 7th. Uh, Actually रेस्ट एंड मोशन के न्यूमेरिकल्स बाकी थे, तो इसीलिए मैं वो न्यूमेरिकल्स लेके आया हूँ आपके पास. ठीक है. So we are going to solve the numericals on rest and motion. ठीक है. This is question number 1 and you have a solution. I would recommend कि आप वीडियो को पॉज करके पहले क्वेश्चन खुद से बनाओ. ठीक है. तो and just check whether your answers are correct or not. A car travels from town A to town B, that is 150 km away in 3 hours, and from B to town C, which is 120 km away, in 2 hours. Find the average speed. Find the average speed of the car. See, listen to me. So what are the things that is given? Distance from A to B. So distance from A to B is how much? 150 km. Then distance from B to C. Distance from B to C is 120 km. So time taken from A to B is 3 hours, and time taken from B to C is 2 hours. You need to remember one thing, that your average speed is total distance covered upon total time taken. Total distance covered upon total time taken. What is total distance? 150 plus 120, right? 150 plus 120 divided by total time, 3 plus 2, 5. So this is 270 divided by 5. So this is 5 5s are 25, right? And 5 4s are 20. So 54 km per hour is your answer. 54 km per hour is your answer. So this is the average speed. So remember this formula, average speed formula. It's the total distance upon total time taken. If you remember this, your question is solved. Now calculate the distance traveled by a man walking at a speed of 5 km per hour in 18 minutes. Okay. Now, so what are the things that is given? Speed of a man is given, which is 5 km per hour, and time is given, that is 18 minutes, and right. Now 18 minutes can be converted into hour. 18 by 60 hour. How did I do that? See, 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So 18 minutes will contain how many hours? So 18 by 60 hour, right? Yes or no? Right. So we need to find what is the distance. देखो 18 मिनट्स डायरेक्टली नहीं देख सकते, बिकॉज यहाँ पे स्पीड आवर में है, किलोमीटर आवर में है. यहाँ पे मिनट्स जो है उसको आवर में कन्वर्ट करना ही पड़ेगा अपने को. ठीक. सो यू नो फॉर्मूला, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. सो स्पीड इंटू टाइम इज डिस्टेंस. सो 5 इंटू 18 by 60 is equal to distance. So if you just check, this is 5, this is 12, 3 4s are 3 6s are, right? 4 1s are 1.5, I think. Yes, 1.5 kilometer is the distance, right? 1.5 kilometer is the distance. You can convert into meter also, just multiply by 1000. So this is 1500 meter. 1500 meter. Very simple. I hope you have understood this. Next. A bicycle moves at the speed of 18 km per hour. How much time will it cover at a distance of 3 km? Right? Very simple. So given, what is given? Speed of bicycle. Which is 18 km per hour. And the distance here is 3 km. So what do you need to find? You need to find time. Again, very simple method. You know formula. You know formula for speed. So speed is equal to distance upon time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is 3 upon 18. So this is 1 by 6 of hour. So 1 by 6 of hour, can you convert into minutes? Yes, 1 by 6 multiplied by 60. So you will have 10 minutes. 10 मिनट में ये पहुंच जाएगा. ठीक है? Very simple. Very simple. Question number 4. Calculate the weight of the body of mass 13 kg and g 10 meter per second. So again, what is given? Mass is given m, which is 13 kg, and acceleration due to gravity g is given 10 meter per second. So weight of any object is same as force. Weight of any object is same as force, and force is mass into acceleration. Here, this case, acceleration due to gravity, because it's a weight. So what is the mass? 13 kg. And what is g? 10 meter per second square. So what you got? You got 130 Newton. Newton is the unit of force. Remember this. Newton is the unit of force. So 130 Newton is the correct answer. You should remember this formula. Weight is equal to mass into gravity. Question number 5. The value of acceleration due to gravity on moon is approximately 1.60 meter per second square. A body weighs 320 Newton on moon. What is the mass of the body? So, given acceleration due to gravity on moon, that is equal to 1.60 meter per second square, and weight is given 320 Newton. You need to find what is mass. Again, formula is very simple. Weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So weight is 320 Newton into mass into, I can write this 1.6 directly, right? So this is 3200 divided by 16. This just I have taken decimal above. So here mass would be 200 kg, because this is 16 ones, this is 16 twos, so this is 200. So therefore mass is 200 kg. Again, need to remember this formula. Very simple. Alright, so these were the questions. I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, just do message me that you have not understood. Go through this slides one more time and try to solve by yourself. Take care. Bye-bye.